Before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Yep, today we have another story of some silly Paycheck Protection Program mess. And it's not what you think. Then again, maybe what you think. But it's not nothing good about or no update about payments. Well, not payments to you or me or nothing like that, or no more funding for the program or anything like that. But it is about payments. It's about some silly PPP fraud mess. Alright? It's crazy what these people are doing. I'm not going to elaborate on that. We're just going to get to the story. Here it is. Man who stole $1 million from Paycheck Protection Program bought home, jewelry, ATV, says the feds. And this is a story out of Philadelphia. So don't take this as what you would think about the people in Philadelphia. I'm pretty sure Philadelphia has some great people there. But in every city, in every nation, we have some silly, ignorant folks who just don't get it. Always trying to get over, whether it's robbing people, whether it's robbing the government. You know, they're always trying to rob somebody. You got somebody who's just going to be ignorant, is going to do something stupid. Okay? And let's go ahead and get it, because he got $1 million. He wasn't trying to be like, you know, somebody who just need a couple of dollars here and there and they just get caught up in some mess. This dude, to get $1 million, that's a straight up intent to be on some bull crap. Alright? So let's get to the story. A Philadelphia man is accused of stealing nearly $1 million from the federal Paycheck Protection Program. Look at him riding on this ATV. Look at him having a ball. Look at that dude. Devron Brown, 50. This dude is 50 years old. Man, you should know better, dude. You should know better. Anyway, Devron Brown, 50, has been charged with bank fraud and money laundering. In June 2020, authorities say he obtained $937,500 in PPP loans by applying through his alleged construction business called Just Us Construction Inc. Dude, if you got a construction business, you know what the heck you're doing. Why? I'm not gonna get into it. Just greedy. Just greedy. The indictment says Brown forged the number of company employees as well as their wages, payroll taxes, and the intended use of the PPP loans. Obviously, look at that dude. Look at him. Dude, you couldn't do that on your own with your construction business? Federal officials say he used the money to buy a new home in Florida, a motorcycle, an ATV, a luxury car, and diamond jewelry. Oh boy. Brown submitted a second PPP loan application for about the same amount earlier this year, authorities say, but it was denied. That's how your behind got caught right now. That's exactly how you get caught. Right there. Being greedy. That's what I said. Being greedy. Paycheck Protection Program funds are intended to help American small businesses continue paying their employees, even if revenues have dropped dramatically due to the pandemic. Acting U.S. Attorney Jennifer Abedier Williams said in a statement. I hope I said that correctly. I don't know. These who attempt to take these funds are taking advantage of others' misfortune, ripping them off while also ripping off all taxpayers who fund the program. And these are the people who get mad, right? These people right here, these silly people right here, riding ATVs and motorcycles and crap with money they shouldn't be getting. These are the same people complaining that they're giving money to people who couldn't get the funds at first. So now they're putting them first and putting these fraudsters last. These people who feel like they're privileged, who just feel like they should get everything, they get put last. So they're the ones getting mad that people who can't get much is put first. Dude, shut up. That's why your ass got caught. Anyway, that's why you got caught. Talking all that nonsense. If convicted of all charges, Brown faces a maximum of 150 years in prison and a more than $4 million fine. Dang. Let me say that again. If convicted of all charges for $937,500, ATV, look at him rolling, ATV chilling, all right? For doing that, you face a maximum. Listen to this, y'all. He faces a maximum of 150 years in prison and a $4 million fine. That's 4 times what you got. So, if that's the case, if it's a fine of 4 times what you got, everybody who got $20,000 in PPP funds that shouldn't have got it, you could be paying up to $80,000 in fines. $80,000 in fines for 20 stacks. And you didn't even get an ATV. You didn't get to do this. You didn't. You didn't get to do this. You didn't get the ball out like this. Look at him. Having the ball. Look at him. Revving it up. Look at that dude. You ain't get a chance to do that. But you got to pay $80,000 back though for your 20. Now, we're not saying you're going to get jail time. We don't know. You may, because it sounds like they're not playing with this dude. 150 years. But still a $937,000. Man, if I had to pay $4 million back, I'd be mad. But I got to do possibly 150 years. I don't think he's gonna do the whole thing though. I doubt that. Even though they say fair time is 100%, that just sounds ridiculous. But that's what you get though. Shouldn't be doing it. Shouldn't do it. He might get 5 to 10 years, but shouldn't be doing it. But that $4 million gonna stick though, homie. That means your construction business is done for, dude. Done. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, homie. Man, they're getting these cats. See, that's the thing. So, I'm not saying that it's gonna happen to you. I'm gonna leave it right here with he's facing. Look at that. If convicted of all charges, Brown faces. I want y'all to look at this. Ride this part out to the end of the video. Ride this part out. But listen, I don't know what's going to happen if you give the money back. Just give it back and see what happens. I mean, try, Might just get hit with that fine. They want their money. They want their bread. So you're going to get hit with that 80. Straight up. If it's not 80, it's going to be another 20 to 40. But would you want to pay back 40 when you took 20? Because it might be on top of the 20. So that 20 might end up being 60. Let's just say it end up being 40. You got to pay back $40,000 when you could have had it forgiven, or you didn't have to worry about it in the first place and just went on ahead and go ahead and click that wealth dash link in the description and started dashing $500 to $1,000 a week. You had to worry about none of that. right? Could have did that. Or you could have went ahead and clicked the credit monitoring link in the description, signed up and got your 3 free credit reports with your 3 scores from all 3 TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and got your credit together, and you qualify for funding through your financial institution. You could have did that. But no, you wanted to go doctor up some paperwork and lie to the government, and now risk going to jail or paying the fine of 2 to 3 times to 4 times what you got, or both, like Mr. Brown over here. So was it worth it? You gotta ask yourself, was it really worth it? But anyway, I just wanted to bring you that story. Remember, I'm gonna let it ride out on this 150 years and $4 million fine. That's to let you know they're not playing around. Alright? Hope you got something out of this video. Again, if you want to get up on top of your credit, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. Get your credit report, your scores, which is major because you need your FICO score. These are FICO scores. Alright? This is the scores that the lenders use. Get your FICO scores from all 3 credit bureaus, plus your reports, so you can see where you stand. Alright? What you need to do to get your credit together. So click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. Remember, you can be a wealth dasher. Get out here and dash. Get $500 to $1,000 a week independently. So click that wealth dasher link in the description below. You need a vehicle, or you don't want to use your own, click the wealth hire car link in the description below. That way you can use their car while you're out dashing, getting that $500 to $1,000 plus a week. You want to know how to get that cash back? I got a lot of cash back. I got probably over $1,000 in cash back. Check out my favorite cash back sites by clicking the cash back link in the description below. Like and share the video. Subscribe to It's Oasis. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, until the next video, let's get this money.